Hello, today's Monday, May 8th, and today's refinishing project is located in Napa, California. All right, so today in Napa, we're going to be refinishing the standard size porcelain overlay bathtub. Really worn on the bottom. It's a 30-year-old bathtub and needs some attention. So this will be the project today, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we just finished up the bathtub here in Napa, California. Let's have a look. This tub bottom here was really bad. It was had a slip resistant on the bottom. It was completely worn out through to the metal. And so we removed all the old slip resistant on there, fully prepped the tub out, applied a new slip resistant on the bottom here, repaired a couple of chips here and there, and fully refinished it in a gloss white. Turned out really nice. This tub in this condition took roughly 6 hours, 7 hours to fully complete. All right, so here's the bathtub here in Napa, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.